Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again.
Today, in this video of the ITRXCEL course, we will create a database in Excel. This exercise will make us create a table, apply formatting, and enter data. Excel is a spreadsheet software, however is surprisingly capable of functioning as a robust database for smaller datasets, even though don't offer more advanced features like dedicated database management systems, such as Access. Excel allows you to create databases for various purposes by structuring information into tables with rows and columns. For example, customer records and inventory management can be easy for many users due to its familiar interface. Let's open the spreadsheet. We will build the table showed in the picture starting from cell B4. We need 6 rows and 4 columns. The most efficient way is to identify the last cell's references and start our selection from there going back to the first cell, which is B4 in our case. We count 4 on the right and 6 below, identifying our last cell as E9. We start selecting from E9 and we drag the mouse back to B4. Otherwise, if you are confident with the mouse, you can start selecting from B4, move down 6 rows and write 4 columns. Once the cells are selected, we can apply all borders from the home ribbon or from the mini toolbar. Then we select from cell B4 to cell E4 and we apply a grey color from the home ribbon or from the mini toolbar. And format it as you like. Change the zoom as 90%. Once finished, we need to type done in O1. Now we can start entering our data. The most efficient way is to do one column at the time. Select B4, type the information and press enter to finalize the entry and move to the cell below automatically. Once finished, column B pass to column C, then D, and finally E. Pause the video and complete the data entry task. Well done all! Now Meg will show us how to add the form function to the quick access toolbar and use it to enter data more efficiently.
Users who regularly perform data entry in Excel often encounter 2 common issues. First, the activity is time-consuming. They need to enter the data in one cell, then navigate to the next cell, and enter the data for it. At times, they also need to scroll up and see the column header to enter the correct data. They may also need to search for certain entries, for example, to identify duplicates. All this takes much time and effort. In addition, there is always a likelihood of error. If you are working on a large set of data, you might end up entering data in incorrect cells. A data entry form not only makes this process faster, but also reduces the chances of error. You will have to first add it to the Quick Access toolbar, or the ribbon. You can follow these simple steps to add the data entry form option to the Quick Access toolbar. Right-click anywhere on the existing icons in the Quick Access toolbar, and then click on Customize Quick Access toolbar. In the dialog box that opens, navigate to choose commands from, and then select the All Commands option from the drop-down. Scroll down the list of commands, and select Form. Click on Add button, and then click OK. You should now notice the form icon in the Quick Access toolbar. You can now select any range in the worksheet, and click on the form icon. You must format your data as a table. Otherwise, the form feature will provide you with an error. You can select the range, and click on the format as a table from the ribbon. You can press Ctrl+T to format the selected data as a table. OK, now that you have added the form icon and converted the data into a table, click on the first cell of the table, and then click the Form button. You should now see a new dialog box. On the left side of the dialog box, you should notice the fields that need to be filled. On the right side, you should see 7 buttons. Let's explore what each button does. New button, this will clear any existing data in the form, and allow you to create a new record. Delete button, this button allows you to delete an existing record. Restore, use this button if you're editing an existing entry and want to restore the previous data in the form. Find previous, this button will find the previous entry. Find next, this button will find the next entry. Criteria, This button allows you to find specific records. For example, if we are looking for all permanent employees, we need to click the Criteria button and enter permanent in the employee type field, and then use the Find button. We will have a look at this shortly. Close. This button will close the form. There is also a scroll bar that can use to go through the records. It is more useful when you have a large number of columns. Okay, let's see how to create a new entry using the form in Excel. You can follow these steps. First, click on any cell in the Excel table, and then click on the form icon in the Quick Access toolbar. Now enter the data in the form fields. When done, press the Enter key to include the record in the table. You can also press the New button to get a blank form for the next record. Let's try entering a few records now.
Thanks, Meg. Very useful trick. We can pause the video now and practice the form function. Well done, everyone. Good stuff. Finally, it is time to format the database for a better interface. Select the whole table and align everything on the left. Then you are free to do any formatting as you like. Using Excel to build databases is easy, however, it's important to understand Excel's limitations. For large datasets or complex relationships between data, a dedicated database software is more suitable. Well done, everyone! Keep up with the good work and don't forget to save.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.